Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Gulsan. I hope you are doing fine in your life. Today in this video I am going to give you an amazing tool that will help you improve your English fast. As coming from a Hindi medium background and I live in a very small village, it was very hard for me to find a English partner. I live in a village where there's no one who talks in English, where I can't find anyone whom I can practice with in English. But I found one app, amazing app that helped me improve my English. In this video, I will not only talk about this amazing app, but I will also show you how to use this app so that you can start using this app from today and can become a fluent speaker in the next 3 months. But before I talk about that, let me talk about me first, a little bit about me, so that you will be better able to understand about me and can relate with me better. My name is Gulsan and I am a living proof that you don't need an English environment to learn this language, to become a fluent speaker in this language. And I can say this confidently because I have no one whom I can practice English with. When I got started with learning English, I had no one whom I could practice English with, and despite having no English partners, I have managed to become a fluent speaker in this language. I have managed to be able to talk in this language fluently just because I was consistent at practicing this language every single day. So my point here is, if you are willing to put 2 to 3 hours every single day on learning English, it's going to be a 1-year journey and you will become a fluent speaker after 1 year. This is my guarantee. But you have to give consistent practice on this language, and then you are going to become a fluent speaker in this language. It demands at least 2 to 3 hours every single day of focused practice, a deliberate practice towards learning this language, and this alone is going to help you become a fluent speaker in any language, I think, if you are willing to put 2 to 3 hours every single day. So my point is I have been using this app that I'm going to talk about for the last 3 months, and I think there are many paid applications out there that claim to improve your English, but this app is for free. This is going to be very, very useful for you, believe me, because you are going to have a real conversation every single day with this app. You are going to improve your English along with that. So let's get started and see how this app works. Now it's time for me to show you how you can start using this app from today. It's completely free. You don't need to pay any money for this app. You can have conversation from today on, and let me show you how you can do that. Sorry for a screen recording. This is the only phone I have. You might have some trouble going along with this video, but sorry for that. My point here is to show you how you can start using this app from today, so you can be a fluent speaker in next 30 days or in 3 months. That's it depends on your practice. Let's show you how you can do that. If you don't have Google Gemini already installed in your phone, you need to install it from Play Store. You need to tap Play Store and you need to search for Google Gemini. The spelling of Gemini is Gemini. This is the spelling of Gemini. You can search for that. If you don't have already installed Google Gemini in your phone, it will prompt you to install. If you have installed in your phone, it will prompt you to open. As I have installed this Google Gemini, it is prompting me to open, and now I will open this app. Now this is where the game starts. Hi Google Gemini, I want to talk to you.
जी बिल्कुल, मैं अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ, धन्यवाद। आप कैसे हैं?
I think you don't get me. I want you to talk to me in English.
Absolutely, I'm ready to converse in English. What would you like to chat about today?
And I would like you to just talk to me some interesting topics today.
Sure, I can help you with that. What are you interested in?
And let me tell you the reason. The reason I am talking to you in English is because I have a YouTube channel with almost 500 subscribers where I share my English fluency journey. And right now I am recording my screen to show my English viewers how they can use this app and how they can improve their English too. So that is I am all into these days.
That's a fantastic idea. It's a great way to share your learning experience and help others improve their English. What kind of content do you plan to create for your YouTube?
I am just kind of sharing my English fluency journey, and I am sharing tips and tricks that helped me become a fluent speaker in English, and that is why I am making contents on how to speak English fluently, so that those people who are struggling with speaking English can learn from me and speak English fluently like me.
That's a great idea. Sharing your personal journey and the tips that work for you can be incredibly helpful for others. What kind of content do you plan to create for your YouTube channel?
I have already told you that I make contents on English speaking. Do you get it?
Yes. आप अंग्रेजी बोलने के बारे में वीडियो बनाते हैं। क्या आप मुझे अपने चैनल के कुछ विशिष्ट विषयों या वीडियो के प्रकारों के बारे में बता सकते हैं?
You started speaking in Hindi again. I just want you to continue with your English speaking, because my viewers, I am going to upload this video on YouTube and they are going to watch you. Do you get it?
You're absolutely right. My apology. Absolutely. I understand. You're creating English-speaking content for your YouTube channel and want me to continue speaking in English for your viewers. Is that right?
I want to ask a specific question about English spoken. How can my viewers improve their English communication? Like for those who are starting from scratch and who are just at beginner level, how can they improve their English as soon as possible? What would be the one thing that will help them to speak English fluently? Like, what's the one thing? If you had to answer, like, what is the one thing that helps English learners speak English fluently? What would be that?
That's a great question for your viewers. Here's a possible answer. For beginners, the single most impactful thing you can do is practice speaking out loud every single day.
Yeah.
Even if it's just for a few minutes.
Yeah, getting it. Keep on.
जी बिल्कुल। क्या आप मुझसे अपने दर्शकों के लिए कोई और सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं?
You didn't finish your first answer. Okay, so complete your first answer.
You're right. My apologies. Here's the complete answer. For beginners, the single most impactful thing you can do is practice speaking out loud every single day.
Okay.
Even if it's just for a few minutes, try describing your surroundings, what you're doing, or even just narrating your thoughts in English. The more you use the language, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. It's like building a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets.
Okay.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Okay, thank you so much for your kind words, for your kind advice. Thank you so much. I would like to have conversation with you next time. Okay, so thank you so much. I have shown you how I use this app every single day. Now you can start using this app from today. This is free. You can go to Play Store and you can start having conversation with AI. This app name is Google Gemini, and you can talk to this app to improve your English. And this is something I have been doing for the last 2 months, and it's not because I'm not a big fan of this kind of apps. It's because I have found out about this app just 2 months ago, and I just downloaded this app and I started using, and I could see the real improvement in my communication English just because I was consistent at practicing English with this app. And you can do it too. This is very easy. You can go to, like as I have told you, you can go to Play Store and then you can download that. Then you can start having conversation with this AI app. So yeah, this has been very beneficial, and it would be very beneficial to you if you download this app. If you found this app helpful, I want you to hit the like button, and I also want you to subscribe to this channel because it motivates me to make more videos. So bye bye, and I will